We're going to start off the new year with a really bright collection called Let's Party. And we're going to take a look at the kids and the artwork for the month. So let's look at the scrapbooking pages that I've created. Now, I've done 10 pages, and I have to tell you, it is really a cheerful, fun collection to work with. We'll be able to celebrate birthdays, retirement, and ages of everybody in your family, whether it's the first birthday or the 90th. You're going to be good to go with this one. We will be using the Scrapbooking Workshop Kit, which contains 6 sheets of white daisy, 2 jade, a bluebird, all the pattern paper, sticker sheet, 4 exclusive sheets of paper, 2 punch-outs sheets that are exclusive to this kit, and a small array of the acrylics. I am adding the other acrylic accessories because it just gives us more to play with, and they're really fun. They really are colorful and a nice addition. Now, this is the pattern paper that comes in the kit. I just wanted you to get a better look at what you can see here, as well as the sticker sheet, and they are just some fabulous colors to work with. So you can have it for anybody in your family. Now, this is the coordinating cardstock. You have 2 sheets of white daisy, Sundance, jade, bluebird, ballerina, and candy apple. I did add 1 sheet of black, so if you want to change anything out, go and use a custom 12 paper pack. We're using the mix-ins too. We're going to use some of this ballerina paper, some of this blue paper, a little bit of the jade paper, and we might be using a little bit of this pattern too. It's just fun to have these as added in additions to stretch the paper packs. The scrapbooking stamp set and thin cut for Let's Party is super cute because the numbers are all thin cuts. That's what I mean. You'll be able to use this for any year, any birthday that you'd like. You'll also be able to use the numbers for a grade school because these work so well. First, second, third, fourth. I think you're really going to like having that. Cute borders and sentiments, as well as a couple more thin cuts that are the present and the party hat and the balloon. We have our inks that we'll be adding. Most of you own Jade, Bluebird, Candy Apple, Sundance, and Black. Now this is new. This is a 3x3 postage thin cut. We'll be using it to fit a full 3x3 photo, and I'm using it on one of the pages. So you won't really see it on the artwork right now, but that's optional for you, and it is just really cute. Bashing our stash with fancy borders, we're using this one right here on a set of the pages as well. Stickles. This is the Aquarius stickles, and I'm looking forward to showing you how to use that on these pages. It's just a really perfect color for this collection. Now, in the workshop guide, this is a cute layout, and I wanted to show you that if you're looking to do the girl gender in your family, then stick with this and you can create this. If you want it to be more boys, well, I've got you covered using the Bluebird. It's pretty much the same layout. I just changed out some of the papers, the cardstock here and the pattern paper, and I had fun with that. So if you want to do both because you need it for other family members, then buy another paper pack with the sticker sheet and you'll be good to go. Here's the really cute border that is all stickers and popped up. And now you can see the glitter gel, how it's being used on the layout. It has some really tiny little stars in there as well. Now you can see a close-up of some of the pieces, and this is an acrylic piece right here, and the star, and then that glitter gel. Party is an acrylic piece. There's 2 of them there, so you put that back together, so you have some options. And now this is the layout that's actually in the workshop guide. And I liked it, but I really couldn't do much more with it, but I want to show you what I did to change it up. It's cute just the way it is, but I added a few details here and I moved this around, and I'm also adding some flip flaps. So this is my page right here, and there'll be a 6x4 flip flap here. Now I wanted to show you, like I did 5 years, but the beautiful thing is you can save this to make it whatever year that you want. 10, 21, you want to do sweet 16, that all works. I used some of the exclusive paper and some small circles to add that black and white in here, as well as those black acrylics. It just helped pop the page a little bit more. Now you can see that layout with some flip-flap options of being open, and you'll get more photos on these pages. I love my flip-flaps to be able to do that. A little zip strip border, pattern paper that are the mix-ins, and we are good to go. The next set of pages is super cute. I changed it a little bit by adding this strip of paper. I've got my acrylics and stickers up here. You're going to really like this look here. And I'm going to show you what I changed up. But I like having all this little fun design of a circle look. Birthday is stamped, and I did first. Now you see that ST, but it could be third, it could be fourth, it could be 40th, whatever party year you want to put, that's up to you. Just change it out. You'll have that option. Now, what I did on the right side is I created the letters or the numbers. So this would be second birthday, third birthday. There's a fourth birthday, fifth, sixth. And you can see that by doing that, you can actually have a nice spread of a 2-page spread that will show the progression of a yearly birthday for as many as you want to do on these pages. So I thought that would be a really cool look or idea to use with these. Now, I really had fun with this one. The candles are super cute, and I just had this idea. I wanted to do those candles. The wicks are another fun treat of what I did using the exclusive paper that's in the kit. Now, here you can see this is the fancy border thin cut. Now, you can see how that cloud look or that stitch look or icing on the cake. And once again, you can change out the 8 years to be whatever you like. But isn't that cute? We stamped the balloons. We did a little stickle gel to them. I colored in with Sundance shimmer brush my candle toppers, and I used the stamps for my wick. I think it's going to be so much fun to create this with you. I hope you'll join in on the online event and do them with me. More of the candles, and here you can see that fancy border stitching line along the bottom. But aren't they super cute? Come on. You've got to do this with me. Now, here's the last set of pages, 9 and 10, and I chose to do the 70th birthday. But you know, you can do whatever you like. What birthday do you want to celebrate? I wanted to show you that I got that glitter gel on this acrylic present here, and this is stamped. But isn't this cute the way you could do that? Change out the number to your taste or your desired year, and it could be the 16th birthday, right? Or the 40th, 50th. Some party hats are stamped, and this is that postage stamp. This gives you a close-up. I like the stitching, and I like the look of it. And these will hold 3x3 photos. A little bit more with stickers, and stamping the border on for the balloon is really a cute idea too. Now, with some of my scraps, I created these 2 pages, 2 cards, I should say. 50, right? Using the gel, the white gel pen to add my stitching lines, and this is all stamped. So you can create a couple of these cards. And then I chose to use black, white, and red to do the 45 with my circle, thin cut, and stitching lines, and it was just fun. 45 is just a number, and then I added some of those candle wicks there, you can see, and the party hats. Now, this is one of the layouts that is in the catalog, and it is really cute. So I love this idea, and I wanted to show it to you how you can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, but they're celebrating 6 years. What a great idea to do on a layout. That's why I would get another paper pack and maybe with the sticker sheet so that you can create this as well. Make it into a double page. Now, when it comes to cards, let's celebrate making birthday cards. This is the card making workshop kit. So you have 2 sheets of pattern paper, all the color cardstock, 16 cards, 4 of which are slimline, some clear gems, the thin cuts, and the stamp set. So let's take a peek at that. That is the thin cut. It doesn't make any sense right there, but it will on the card. That is your stamp set. So you have your balloons, your strings, and your sentiments, and the star. And you'll be making 4 of these slimline cards. Now you can see this is stamped. You're going to color that in with a marker or colored pencils of your choice. And the birthday is the thin cut. It's such a nice size. Now I am using that birthday on the layout, so that's optional. Some of you might have something else, and you can omit it if you don't want to use it. Here's another cute card. I love the strips of paper. This is just all stamped. And now you can see the word happy is the thin cut as well as the birthday. And the idea here is showing you how to use your journaling marker to pop that birthday up a little bit and add a little dimension. I love the way the paper is laid out on this card as well. Really cute card. And this one's really fun and cheerful with the balloons stamped in the 3 colors as well as the birthday thin cut and the wishes. So you're using the same colors we are for the scrapbooking kit, the black, Sundance, Candy Apple, and Bluebird. So we're going to have fun with that. There it is all together. Card kit, stamp set, thin cuts, and all the cards. Well, I hope you found this really exciting and you'd like to do this with me. The crop is going to be held on a Sunday, February 11th from 1 to 5. It's $35 to join in, and I'll have all the information on my blog at lynncomo.com. There'll be a shopping list and a link to register. I hope to see you there.